Hello everyone. Today we are going to see sterilization in a fermentation process. Considering the fermentation process, sterilization is a key factor which plays very important role in the fermentation because the product quality or the purity of the product is depend on the sterilization. During the fermentation process, the sterilization of following content or following key material is very essential in that the first is sterility of the media which is used for fermentation, then sterility of incoming and outgoing air which is supplied during the process of fermentation. The next is the sterility of bioreactor where the whole process of fermentation is going to be carried out, and the next is the prevention or the measures of prevention we are going to take during the fermentation. So in that first is sterilization of media. As the media is a key or important factor while the fermentation process, so it may contribute contamination by vegetative cells and spores. As this is the raw material and it's the natural products, so there may be chances of contamination through the media. So for that, media must be free from contamination before used in the fermentation process. So for that, sterilization of media is necessary. Media is sterilized by majorly two process, that is heat sterilization, and others are the physical methods. Out of that, the heat sterilization is widely used for sterilization of media. In this process, media is sterilized by applying heat around 80 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. In the physical methods, there are such as the filtration, centrifugation, adsorptions are used, but this method cannot remove the bacterial spores. The next is sterilization of air. Many fermentations are aerobic fermentations. For that, we have to supply air during the process of fermentation. The industrial fermenter are carried out under the various continuous aeration. For effective fermentation, air should be completely sterile and free from all kind of microorganism and suspended particles. So methods of sterilizations are by heat sterilization and by filtration. Air sterilization by heat. This method is not used nowadays because this method is costly and effectiveness is not as that much which we required. The next method which is used, that is sterilization by filtration. So this method is quite efficient while the fermentation, which is commonly used. For this purpose, depth filters are used and membrane filters are also used. So when air is passed through depth filters, it contains a glass wool and they removes and trapped mainly the particles or vegetative spores while air is passed through these filters. So major factors are inertia, blocking, gravity and diffusion. So this is the working diagram of filter where air is passed in and this is outlet. So in this process when air moves inside, so while processing through this curvature, due to gravity heavy particles are dropped down. The next is electric field is applied. So due to the electrostatic charge, the particles which are having electrically charged or electrically positive or negative charge, so such particles are get removed by here due to the electrostatic charge. Next is due to the diffusion process. So the particles are dropped down here, and mostly pure air is obtained. So next is the process where membrane cartilage filters are used. The membrane cartilage filters are easy to handle, smaller in size, and they provide mostly clear air, and these are easy to clean. These are as similar as the filters which are used in our vehicles and different places or equipments like AC and all that. So these filter membranes are made up of cellulose, ester, nylon, and polysulfone. So these are the process which is used for the purification of air while fermentation. So next is the sterilization of fermenter. This is a very important and key factor. We can take care of the material which is used while the fermentation, but the process were carried out, that is the fermenter, and the sterility of fermenter is very important, because fermentation process is not of 1 or 2 hours. It is a process of few days. So sterility of fermentation is very important. So in case of fermenter, the possible sources of contamination are the entry and exit points of the fermenter. So all the entry and exit points are sterilized with steam. The construction of pipes and pipeline which is used while the fermentation for the supply various nutrients and buffers and others. So there should not be any sloping where the material will stay for some times, and while that stay, there may be chance of contamination and developing some microbial product and colonies. The steam should be trapped in every discharge point of the pipe work. So if there is a slope and stopping of any material, the steam should be trapped in every pipe work. So it will sterilize the area, and so our target or aim is the sterilization is obtained. The fermenter can be sterilized separately for aseptic operation of pilot scale and industrial scale process. Then the fermenter can be sterilized separately, and media required for the fermentation process and fermenter both are sterilized together in single process when it is used for the pilot scale. It is difficult to carry out the all processes aseptically, but great care must have been taken while the doing all this process and operations of fermentation. For a small scale fermentation, medium and fermenter both are sterilized by steam under pressure in autoclave. Sterilization of media done temp using the steam and temperature at around 121 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. So last point is prevention, control, and activities which should be checked during the process of fermentations are as follows. These are the like a checklist where the silicon tubing and used for delivery feeds to the fermentation process, which has been uh, taken with the connections are should not be have any kind of vent and any kind of stoppage, so there may be a chance of microbial growth will be happen. So such kind of connection will not be used while connecting the fermenter. So and the air vent and sparger, which are the equipments used for the air supply. So this may be create some kind of microbial growth, or they may be source of the contamination. So they should be cleaned thoroughly and connected properly. Poor tightening of fermentation top lead screw, they may also create a problem when it's not connected properly. By adopting suitable chemical and physical methods for sterilization, we can minimize the damage which will be occurred while the process. Sometimes contamination is not easy to reduce. So in such cases, by using optimized temperature, pH, pressure, we can control it. The most recommended option is testing samples from all process in a routinely and after the specified time interval, which is the secure process. So by which you can check is the if there is any kind of contamination is happening while the process of fermentation. So this is the total process of fermentation, where how we can maintain the sterilization to obtain a quality and pure product through the fermentation. Thank you.